is Sebastian, and today Leo finally got a little dog. So look at it. It's right there. It's a baby Chihuahua. It's barely grown its teeth, and it's 10 months right now.
10 weeks.
10 weeks, sorry. So, yeah. It's sleeping right now. It's really small. Zoom into his face.
I did.
Like his face.
Now, dude.
Den poses. So, she has she has some teeth right here. It's still growing. It has paws. Everything's developed. Just it'll keep growing bigger. And Leo will upload like how big it is weekly. So, like on each Sunday, you'll upload like how big she is and everything about her.
You said that because today's Sunday, isn't it?
Yeah. That's when you got her.
No, I got her on Saturday.
Well,
no, wait.
Well, you're recording on Sunday, so.
Oh, yeah.
So, here's her. Oh, jeez. Here's her beautiful face.
I'll tell you that she was like 3 or 4 inches yesterday.
Oh, she likes that toy.
That's what it came with.
Okay, then he's familiar with it.
Look at that jaw.
Oh, jeez. Look at that jaw. Let me give it to the nose. Yep, it can definitely get that. So, if you like the cuteness of the baby dog, so make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you liked the video. And if you love the baby dog's cuteness, make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Stay tuned and friendly. Bye!
Peace.